So if Israel is the example of a rules-based order, I mean, you're kind of doing the work of the Chinese and Russians for them, because they could not have wished for a more problematic and frankly absurd example of a rule setter or a rules abider that everyone else has to die for that hill. I think this has really tied the West in a knot, in which increasingly, shockingly to me, as someone who grew up in Europe, to see the degree to which Europe is willing to sacrifice international norms, national law, international institutions, an entire paradigm of security for the sake of protecting Israel as it is committing genocide. This is shocking to me. When the Rome Statute was signed in 1998, I remember it because it was seen in Europe as one of the biggest victories. It was a civilizational leap towards a world in which laws would matter more than power. And they were putting so much pressure on the South African government that it could not allow Putin to travel to South Africa for the BRICS meeting because he was wanted by the ICC. And the South Africans abided by it. The Brazilians abided by it. But then when it became Europe's turn of how are you going to now deal with Benjamin Netanyahu, since he has the very same warrant against him, not only did the Hungarians invite him and say that they're leaving the ICC, several European leaders, even though they haven't brought him there, they have said theoretically we may invite him, and essentially said we don't care about the ICC ruling. So this civilizational leap was sacrificed, was reversed for the sake of Bibi Netanyahu.